take flight like a bird in the night. Places bizarre and exciting.
It looks scary.
We'd better not disturb it.
Uh-oh, we've been spotted. Do you think it will charge?
Very funny, guys.
When you said we were going on safari.
Right, on the metro.
It's a sound safari.
Well, this is the sound of us getting off at the next stop. Yeah, right. I have to get this plant to my mom for her birthday.
Wait, everybody. Listen to the music.
All I hear is a train.
No, wait. He's right. It's like a song.
Wow, Derek, you've got a great ear.
I downloaded a new app the last time we were in Birdland. It detects anything musical in the environment. It has sort of a warning light when it hears the ingredients of music. Now we can use the blueberry to find lost notes.
Cool idea.
Yes, it is a very cool idea.
That's his sound.
Hey, it's us too. People always forget us. Now, hand over that infernal contraption.
No way!
Leave him alone, you big bully.
Playtime. Now, thanks to your dingleberry, or whatever you call it, I will be able to scoop up lost notes all over the place. One step ahead of your howling hero, Bird. Now, let's see what this button does. Huh?
Oh no! It's the Universal Remote Control app!
Excellent! I could think of dozens of evil uses for this.
Sorry, Mom.
Who turned off the lights? Help me! You fools!
Professor Sour Notes, give me your hand!
No way! This is mine!
Give me your hand, or you're gonna fall!
Belton Sour Notes always has a plan. Watch this, bird brats.
Oh no! He's got the blueberry! Now he's gonna find all the lost notes!
This is a big problem. We've got to see Bird. He'll know what to do. Except we need the blueberry to get to Birdland in the first place.
Maybe not. We always thought it was the Blueberry app that was helping us get the time machine to Birdland. But that's not what Bird says.
That's right. He always says it's got something to do with music.
Through the power of music and your imagination, you can go any place.
But we don't have any music.
We do have music. Listen.
Away you go, away you go. Off you find your time and space. Through the power of music and your imagination, you can go any place.
Hi, kids!
Bird, we got a problem. Belton's got my blueberry, and now he can use it to find lost notes. What do we do?
Wow, that explains the strange signals I've been getting. They've been coming from England in 1941. Belton must have traveled back in time to find a lost note during the Second World War.
Why would there be a lost note during wartime?
You'd be surprised. Lost notes can be anywhere. Hit it, Squawlky!
Here we go!
Parrots in the house, put your fingers in the air. Parrots in the house, put your fingers in the air.
Belton hits a sound, no, we really don't care. Hear the no professor say we really don't care.
Traveling through time, flying through the air.
Hear the no professor say we really don't care. Belton hits a sound, no, we really don't care.
looks like England.
It's Bletchley Park, where they cracked the Nazi Enigma code by inventing the first computer. We did it in history class.
You mean we might have a chance to see the first computer?
We have to find Belton first. I don't remember any of the soldiers in the history books looking like those two.
Those guys get everywhere.
And we've got to get past them. I have an idea. I need some camouflage. Maybe I could give you to my mom. I'll cause a diversion. The rest of you sneak in. And keep your eyes peeled for Belton.
Who goes there?
I'm a what, actually? I'm a tumbleweed.
Tumbleweeds grow in the American West. This is England.
Yeah, I got lost.
Poor little shrub. I'm sure it's easy to do with all that tumbling.
Yeah, how do we know you're not part of one of Bird's plans?
Oh, that guy. He's been after me for months.
Why does he want you?
Promise you won't tell?
Cross my heart.
He found out when the wind blows through my leaves, it makes some kind of special musical note. He had some special name for it or something.
A lost note? You've got a lost note?
Yeah, sounds about right. Want to hear it?
I don't hear anything.
That's because there's no wind. We need a bit of a breeze. I think I felt a bit of a gust down there at the end of the wire. Follow me, guys.
Wait a minute. He moves quick for a shrub, don't he?
Let's go.
Yeah.